So now I've got that short red fence removed, and I put some brackets to, there's one over there, to secure the old fence from falling over into the neighbor's yard. There's one there, and there's one over here, right there. And I've started to dig this post hole here. And in setting that post, you need to decide exactly where to set it. Because it's so close to the fence, normally you set a post, you dig a round hole bigger than a post, and you tamp down the dirt on all sides. Here the post is going to have to go right next to the dirt, next to that fence. So this post here, that one right there, that was set when the house was built, or this subdivision was built some 60 years ago. So that post at the bottom, even though the fence to the right is leaning to the right, that post at the bottom, that's centered on the property line. So I'm going to put my post to match the edge of the right side of that post. And I can measure off this fence, because this fence is straight even though it's leaning. So I can measure off that fence. I'll know exactly where to place the post. And here you can see that board that's part of the old fence. It's pulled to the left, so it's warped. So I can't rely on aligning this fence based on what's going on to the right. I'm going to use that old post I just referred to set the new post. So now I've almost got this post set. What I like to do is put in a little bit of dirt, and then put in just a little bit of water, just maybe about a quarter cup. Get it wet, then add some more dirt, and then I pack it with that stick I got there. Let's get this guy here. And if you want to pack real tight, get a good, so the post doesn't move, get loose. Yeah. Have this done in about another few minutes.